Hey everyone, Patrick here from the Patrick Real Estate Group. Today I'm excited to bring my new listing. It's a 5-bed, 4-bath of over 3,200 square foot single house in the desirable Cottonwood neighborhood in Maple Ridge. Let's take a look. So inside this south-facing home, we have an efficient layout with 10-foot ceilings. We have not one, but 2 open dens, and also we have 2 porches, one up front and one at the back. So whether you're a growing family or you're working from home, there's ample space for everyone. What's unique about this home is this private porch faces everyone else's backyard. So you have this openness to it. Situated in a family-friendly Cottonwood neighborhood, this home is surrounded by lush greens, trails, creeks, and parks. Only 5-minute drive to schools and shopping. Ideal for nature lovers, young families, and alike. If you like what you see, give me a call. I would love to show you this gorgeous home and around the neighborhood.